Part of my personal and professional happiness and satisfaction is the result of celebrating small wins, and they're everywhere if we just take the time to look. Every year, I spend several weekends decluttering my house. I start with one room, and then when that's done, I move to the next room. This last weekend, I started on our bedroom. And when I opened the closet, I felt overwhelmed. 4 garbage bags later are in my car, ready for the thrift store, and then I see this stack of pants that have been there in my closet for over 20 years. Yes, it's true, 20 years, that I no longer fit into. I had been keeping them thinking that they were going to be my inspiration. They weren't. I'm not ever going to wear those pants again. And it was so liberating as I tossed them into the bag for the thrift store. I did a little bit of a happy dance. Now, this was a small win, but it was really motivating. In our work, we have projects that run over weeks and months and sometimes years. And if we wait to celebrate until we're finished, we potentially can be waiting a long time. It's easy to forget to celebrate each day along the way, when we've completed a step or a part of a project. And we need to remind ourselves of those small wins. The client who called to say thank you for a job well done, wrapping up at the end of the day and our email is cleaned up, or a staff coming and saying, hey, that was helpful. As you head into this next day, I would encourage you to look for small wins, to acknowledge them, to share them with a colleague, and to give yourself a pat on the back.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.